Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys go check them out. Link is going to be down below. And if you like this item, all you got to do is check out really fast so they can ship this off to you fast and then continue to shop. But we're about to see what's inside. And hope everyone had a good weekend. Everybody's staying home, staying safe. It is a new month ahead of us. A lot of us will be unlocked, so hopefully you guys are alright. Just checking in on you guys through via Instagram. You guys will say hello. My link is on top. And the channel art. What do we got here? Something red. Alright, I guess we're gonna have to do something. Photo Paper Plus Glossy the second. Ooh, look at these happy people. Must be not here in Michigan. We're not happy. Inkjet photo paper. Alright. 10.6. 5 time. 5 stars. 20 sheets. 8.5 by 11s. Well, you know what that means, guys. Some of you do. It is time for TTMs to get sent back out. The mailbox is kind of empty with that area. And if you don't know what TTMs are, check my links down below under autographs through the mail. You just write to your favorite athlete, entertainer, and wait a long time, sometimes really quick, and you get your item signed through the mail. And we got some photo paper. We're going to do a test run, so we're going to hop on over to that Canon I just got the other day, so be right back. YouTube Magic Portal. Gotta go. Alrighty, YouTubers, we got the paper all set up right there. We're going to do a little print and take a look at the quality of the paper. Should be going right about now. Here we go. Takes about a second and it'll be printed. Oops. Cord out of the way. Any second it'll be done. So this is the Pro Glossy 2. So definitely click the link down below. Stock up now while you can. They're on sale, so definitely grab a few because they're 20 in a package, so gotta at least grab a couple packages any second. Yeah, I could zoom in a little. There we go. There it comes. Now hopefully the image that I found is in good quality. Sometimes it all depends on your image that you're printing. Zoom out. There we go. And it looks pretty good from here. We're about to find a test in a second. Any second. And looking good. Looks pretty professional. And you can always tweak your printer to get it on the right setting. Pro Gloss or Glossy. Yeah, this looks really good. It's like professional. It's really fast drying too. So there it is. Zoom in, detailed. Looks really good. Alright guys, check them out. Canon 8.5 by 11 Glossy Pro second printer paper. Get it now. Be safe, guys. Hopefully see you guys later on tonight. If not, have a good weekend. See ya.